Let's take a closer look at this two-step Cosco stool, which is an essential for any room because it can help to assist you in your kitchen cabinets for those hard-to-reach items, or in your closets, or perhaps you can use it for even light cleaning. It is very lightweight. It's easy to handle. It has a nice grip right here at the top. And then there's this little toggle switch where you can close it, and then you open it and make sure it snaps so it's solid. I am 5'7", and I can easily get on these two steps. There are grips, so it can hold you in place, and then I can reach for those hard items that are too high for even me in my kitchen cabinet. I highly recommend this product because I can easily collapse it and store it in my pantry, and it is away and behind the closed doors for my next use.